How to use masks and overlays in Wix Studio. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over and click on this plus icon. And then from in there, you should be able to see in here the elements that you can add. So make sure to click on it right here. And then from in there, click on this search and then search in here for mask. Now in here, you should be able to see it onto this label. If you can find the mask, you can also head over and then just search for overlays. We have text mask right here. So just choose which one you want. For example, let's add a text mask. You can click on it and then you can choose which type of mask you want as well as other more overlays. So let's just wait for this. Now you can see in here this text mask. Just choose in here which one you want added. For example, let's add in here this untold stories and it will be added right here into your actual section on your Wix. So you can also head over and edit out the text. You can click on the change text and you can also change the videos that will play into that. So that's how you use masks and overlays in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.